Please tilt your mobile device now for increased visibility. So today I'm going to show you how to organize and manage your favorites. So first we're going to go to the Favorites tab and click the Favorites Manager button. From there we'll go down to Advanced Search to bring up the category filters. And this will allow us to specifically bring up the categories that we want to organize, along with the majority of the items for them. So once I type in second to bring up the Second Amendment category, you'll then see that I have 10 item results below. Now if I wanted to increase the number of items, I would just go to the Personalize Me tab and then increase the number of rows to 20 or more, which will then display that many more items. As you can see now I have 20 item results as opposed to 10. From there, if we're going to rank our items, you go to the contributor bar and turn the on/off button on. This will then allow you to rank all your items based off of rating and level. Keep in mind that rating takes priority over level, and the combined ranking from both rating and level then orders all your items from highest to lowest. So now I'm going to pick an infographic that I want to be rated higher than it currently is so that it appears at the top of the category list. Once you get down to the item of interest, it's merely a matter of changing the rating level up to 10 and the level down to 7 or at a higher level, with the goal being to push up this new item to the top of the list. Now in order to make this change occur, you can't just expand and close the category or click on the item, you actually have to refresh the page. But once doing so, you'll be able to see that your new ranking of your item of interest will have occurred. This video has shown you how to utilize the Favorites Manager page at a basic level on ItsA.